During this month of extra bonus classes for our seniors, I'm offering a number of workshops that students can enter and join. Today I ran an Introduction to Business Studies class, and it really serves a number of purposes. I noticed we had students who were unable to take it a couple of years ago and are interested in the subject. Some are going to take business courses at college, so they're looking to get a little head start there. And others are just interested in what's going on and want to learn more about the world around them.
So this class is the How to Be an Adult class. It's a 6-session class really addressing things like domestic skills, cleaning, cooking, some finance and relationship, and kind of other aspects of how to be an adult in the world. The reason that this class is so important is because being an adult is really awesome and it's really fun and it's empowering, but it can also be really scary if you don't know how to do it, right? If I can help them, hopefully we can solve some of that with this class.
My name is Dave Giles. I'm an English teacher at the high school, and I'm also a cross-country coach.
There you go, Mark. Hold it right there. Freeze. Free.
My workshop is called Get Fit Without a Coach, and it's this idea of some personal fitness, working on total body fitness. Just I thought that kids are spending so much time sitting and not being active with virtual learning, so this was just an opportunity to move your body and work on also just all different muscle groups.
1, 2.
My name is Ian Galbraith, and I'm a high school math teacher. I also teach the financial math course, which is an elective course. There are a lot of really important lessons that I think the kids can walk away from in just a few classes and short discussions.
The class is kind of just covering a few topics under the sports medicine umbrella. So we cover a little bit of anatomy at the ankle, knee, and shoulder, and we're specifically talking about those because those are where we see a lot of athletic-related injuries. So we kind of talk about the biomechanics and why we see injuries at those joints.
So the name of this workshop is How to Interview, and it's going to be an interactive session about interview skills and the ins and outs of interviewing.
Ask informed questions.
It's officially Geology Rocks, which is a famous geology term. My undergraduate degree is geology. I miss teaching it on a daily basis. So for me, it's an opportunity to geek out with a bunch of kids who have taught for up to 4 years, and just exploring an area of interest a little bit deeper on a voluntary basis. It doesn't get much better than that, really.